Lone Star Summer Shootout. We're in the K&N Shootout Challenge. Dialed an 891. Got to run as perfect as you can on your tree and perfect reaction to qualify for the K&N. And we're hot off the street. 189 on the coolant, 120 on the intake. So this is going to give us real world race conditions like we are going to be in the afternoon. So we'll see what goes on here. That's the reason why I chose an 891. $115. All right, so that's better. It's about what it was yesterday. Got a green light. Just running out the back door and see what happens. 888. So we know it's going to run high 80s when it gets in the heat of the day. See what that 60 foot was. Thank you. Got a 120 light, went a 203 60 foot, 579 with the 5, 888 with the 6, 79.83. He went an 002. All right, Lucas Oil. Keeping everything lubed, engine ice, definitely keeping us cool for the 75-mile drive coming down. It had 15 minutes of cool down. See what we can do.